Let's talk about bottleneck, which is a point or a restriction or a delay in a process or a system or a route. And eventually, what happens with a bottleneck is that it leads to a slowdown or a delay in the overall process output. Whatever it is, it could be material movement, it could be vehicles moving, it could be document approval flow, and so on and so forth. Whatever it is, the bottleneck is the point where the delay is happening, the process is not moving as it were before. Now, when you have a bottleneck in your process, the first step is to try and understand why the bottleneck is happening. Without knowing that, you cannot do anything effective. So try to understand, investigate, and know why the bottleneck is happening. Once you do understand why, you could, for example, set what do you call it, processing limits for earlier processes before the bottleneck stage to make sure that the previous processes are not over processed and said that they'll be piling up at the bottleneck. By the way, when we say bottleneck, you notice that if you put it on paper as a drawing, the shape looks like the neck of a bottle because you have the process moving all right, but when you get to it, the bottleneck, there's a constriction, right? And that is what we don't want. We want the entire process to be parallel throughout without any constriction. Now, we could also automate the process. That is one effective way to make sure that bottlenecks are eliminated. So once the system is designed in such a way that the right uh, input output happens, then it will not overfeed into the stage where a bottleneck could be created. You could also delegate or outsource. So, for example, if document approvals, review and approval are piling up with you, it means that as the boss or whoever you are the bottleneck, and you could delegate to others to help you. But before you delegate, also make sure that those people you are delegating can actually help you, right? And if it is a process that you are not an expert, and that is why the delay or the bottleneck is happening, you could also outsource that to third-party vendors or service providers, contractors to help you so that the bottleneck can be eliminated. So basically, that is it about bottleneck. If you have any queries on bottleneck, please drop a comment and I'll be glad to respond to you. And don't forget to share this video.